There are motorcycles, and then there's the Yamaha RD 350, a name that defines speed, thrill, and rebellion. In 2025, it's not just back, it's reimagined. Yamaha has brought the legend into the present, and it hits different. This isn't just nostalgia wrapped in a new shell. It's a 350 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled parallel twin that respects its roots while embracing today's tech. Smooth fuel delivery, responsive throttle, and a refined exhaust note that still makes your pulse quicken. You'll notice the heritage in the design. Twin exhausts, teardrop tank, and that signature aggressive stance. But look closer, LEDs all around, a sharp digital dash, and finishes that scream modern classic. It's light, agile, feels alive under you. With updated suspension, a rigid frame, and precise brakes, the RD 350 carves through traffic or twisties with equal ease. It doesn't just go fast, it makes fast feel effortless. And yes, it's smart now. Ride modes, traction control, ABS that doesn't interfere unless you need it. Yamaha made sure this bike is as safe as it is savage. You're not just riding a motorcycle, you're riding a legacy, one that's been refined, not tamed. It may have matured, but the spirit is untouched, raw, fun, and ready to run. This isn't a replica, it's a revolution. The 2025 Yamaha Road 350 is proof that legends don't die, they evolve. Thanks for watching.